In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Video Enhancer in Filmora. If you've ever had a clip that looked a little stuffed, noisy, or just lacked punch, this built-in tool can automatically analyze your footage and improve clarity with minimal effort. The process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find the feature and how to let Filmora do the heavy lifting for you. Start by opening Filmora. Once the app loads, create a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. You'll see an empty media area and the timeline below. Now, import the video you want to enhance. You can drag a file directly from your computer into the media panel, or use the import button to browse to it. Either way works. The goal is simply to get your footage into the project. Next, drag your video from the media panel down to the timeline. Placing it on the first video track keeps everything tidy and makes it easy to find. With the clip in the timeline, double-click on it to open the Edit panel. This brings up the settings for that specific clip with options for video, color, and more. In the video tools, scroll down until you see AI Video Enhancer. It may be collapsed at first, so make sure the section is expanded. This is where Filmora's intelligent analysis lives, and it's designed to refine details and improve overall quality based on what it detects in your footage. Click Enhance to activate the feature, then click Generate. Filmora will analyze the clip frame by frame and apply improvements. You'll notice a progress indicator as it works. Processing time depends on the length of your video and your system's performance, so give it a moment to finish. When it's done, look at the preview window to see the updated result. If you want to get a feel for what changed, toggle the Enhance switch off and back on to compare the before and after right in the viewer. A few quick tips as you review the results. The cleaner your original footage, the more natural the enhancement will look. If your preview stutters while the effect is being calculated, let it complete the generation step, then play it again for a smoother view. And remember, this is a smart assist. It can sharpen edges and bring out detail, but it won't replace proper lighting and focus captured on set. That's all there is to it. Open Filmora, create a project, import your clip, place it on the timeline, open the Edit panel, find AI Video Enhancer, click Enhance, and click Generate. With these steps, you can quickly elevate the look of your videos using Filmora's AI.